Wow.
That entire love story started with one sentence. Here is the prompt. A shy barista writes a secret message on a customer's cup, and when they finally notice it, their eyes meet across the crowded cafe. Meet Invideo Vision, the fastest way to turn a simple idea into a cinematic, production-ready storyboard instantly. One sentence, 9 shots, your entire story. Today I'm about to show you exactly how to master this. So let's dive in. Head over to info.ailockup and sign in. Click Create AI Video. Just scroll down and you will get Vision. And click it, and you can see it is free right now. Here you will get looks, boards, angles, and extract shots. I'm going with the board now. Select Boards. We will create a new project. Name the project as Epic Samurai. This is Command Central. A starting line is written here and I'm typing, a lone samurai stands in a bamboo forest as enemies emerge from the mist, draws their sword in one fluid motion, and prepares for battle. One sentence. That's all Vision needs. Set resolution, dimension. This is showing unlimited because it is free now to generate with Vision. Hit Generate. Right now, Vision is doing something incredible. It's analyzing the narrative structure, visualizing the environment, designing the character, planning camera angles, understanding the mood, all simultaneously. This takes about 20 to 30 seconds. And there it is. Let's break down what Vision just created. Shot 1. Wide establishing. Shot 2. Side profile. Determined face. Shot 3. Extreme close-up. Intense eyes. Shot 4. Enemies emerging from fog. Shot 5. Hands gripping sword. Shot 6. The standoff. Shot 7. The explosive sword swing with motion blur. Shot 8. Battle stance. Shot 9. Over-shoulder perspective. This is a complete narrative arc with cinematic language. Vision didn't just generate random images, it understood story structure, pacing, and visual storytelling. Now, here's where the real power comes in. Let's say Shot 7 is your hero moment. You want to explore different ways to capture it. Click on Board. You'll see an Extract Shot button. Click it. Type the number 7. We need the storyboard image. Here you can download the image or just click on it and select Attach to Prompt. And done. The image is attached. Perfect. Shot 7 is now extracted and ready to explore. Click on Board. This pulls that frame into its own workspace where you have 2 game-changing tools, angles and looks. Let's start with angles. Click it. Now add the extracted image here and click on Unlimited. Watch this. Vision just generated 9 completely different camera angles of the exact same moment, the sword swing in action. Wide environmental shot, medium action, and from behind perspective. Same moment, same character. 9 different perspectives. This is what would take a storyboard artist hours or days. You just got it in seconds. Now let's talk about looks. This is where you control the aesthetic, the mood, the entire vibe. Go back to your extracted shot. Let's use Shot 1, the establishing shot of the bamboo forest. Click Looks, and you'll see a text prompt box. Here you describe the visual style you want. I'm going to type dark and moody, film noir lighting, high contrast shadows, rain falling, cinematic and dramatic. Hit Generate. Boom. 9 variations of the same shot, each with a completely different aesthetic. Classic samurai, red neon cyberpunk, sci-fi, cold blue moonlight. This is insane for creative exploration. It's like having an entire cinematography department testing lighting setups for you. Alright, you've got your perfect storyboard. Now let's bring it to life. Here's a pro workflow. Take your storyboard image and paste it into ChatGPT. Ask it, write 9 detailed video generation prompts for each shot in this storyboard. Perfect. 9 prompts, each describing the action, camera movement, and mood. Now head back to Invideo, and we need to extract all the images from the storyboard to generate video. I'm just giving the number and extracting them. Okay, done. Go to the Take One section. You'll see multiple AI models available: Kling AI, Google Veo, Sora, Pixverse, Hailuo. For this samurai sequence, I'm using Kling 2.6 because it handles action and motion really well. Put the first image and paste the first prompt here. Hit generate. Do this for all 9 shots. Each one takes a few minutes to generate, so you can queue them up and let them run. While those are cooking, grab some tea. You've just done it in 10 minutes. Once all your clips are generated, it's assembly time. You can use Invideo's built-in editor or export to Filmora, whatever you prefer. Just drag all the clips into the timeline and adjust them according to need. Let's watch the final look. Wow, from a single sentence to a fully realized cinematic sequence. This took less than 20 minutes from concept to completion. And remember that coffee shop love story from the beginning? That took the exact same process. Whether it's romance or action, Vision handles it all. This is the new reality for storytellers. Whether you're a filmmaker pitching a scene, a marketer crafting a brand story, a content creator building your next viral video, Invideo Vision just handed you a superpower. The gap between imagination and execution just collapsed. Now head over to Invideo, the link in the description, and create something legendary. Like the video and subscribe to get more tutorials. Until next, happy creating!